Rowserworld. I'm just gonna, let me see, this will be my center line here. This is kind of how I want his eyes to be, and I want his head to be about that wide. I think that works out. So let me see here. I might need to, I should have tilted that a little bit, like more like this. Wait, it's too dark. Like this here. Something like that. There we go. All right, here we go, guys. I know he has that turkey neck thing going on down there, but I'm not putting that in there because you don't need that to make it look like him. Okay. Right on, Miss Ebony. Yes. Good stuff. Good stuff. Now I'm gonna tell you, I just kind of discovered something. Wow, never thought about that before. Because I would always get confused about that. Hmm. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. I don't know, something like that. Sasha Rohan for the actor, if you have time. Okay, so we got Puss in Boots. And we're gonna do Sasha Rohan. I got you, no problem. Okay. All right, guys. So we're doing Tyler the Creator. Okay, we're just about done with this one here, guys. All right. Let's see here. So let's just erase my center line here. Okay. Cool. All right. Now let's go ahead and do the chateau. Chateau. Okay, just about. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Just about there, my friend. Oh. Okay, let me see. Just about there, friends. Just about there. Don't you know that I love? You know what I wish I could do? I wish they would let you play like music from like, but I understand the artist got to get paid off of that too. You know what I mean? But you can't jam music that you normally listen to. You gotta jam from a kind of preset playlist. Like me, I love like jazz music. I like Luther Vandross, Mint Condition. Yeah, I love man. How many group man? I like Patti LaBelle. I like the Black Keys. They're really cool too. Arctic Monkeys. Right? Listen to them too. Right? Listen to all kinds of stuff, man. My wife actually turned me on to the Arctic Monkeys, man, and I started liking them. So I'll listen to them when I want to get real crunk. You know what I mean? And I want to get crunk. Okay. So who's up next, man? Sasha Rowan. me see. So that's Tyler. That's my picture of Tyler, the creator. I think that's. I hope that you like that, Michaela. I hope that was to your liking. All right. This is, you know what? This is his personality. Some shoulders on him, so it look like his personality right there. Yeah, he looks like a guy that likes to have. He looks like a kind of joyous guy there. I don't know. This is just what he strikes me as. All right. Okay, so let me just put the name here. I guess we can put we'll just put it right here. We use some simple letters. Simplicity kills. Tyler. I'm gonna be kicking off my music channel next year. I already got videos lined up. I've been making videos for it, but I've been kind of doing a little bit of videos on Facebook. So if you guys haven't seen me, my piano practice, the name of the channel is going to be called Piano Share by Rowserworld, of course, right? And so I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that as my music outlet, so I can keep the artwork separate from the music. So this way, if that's what you're going to look for, you get what I'm saying? I was going to combine it into one channel and make a separate playlist for it and all that, but now it's just like, nah, I think that's confusing. So I want to keep the artwork over here and another thing over there. So anyway, that's my Tyler, the creator. I'm gonna go ahead and just sign my work real quick. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.